Hey guys, right, so part 2 of the box. I'll show you what I've done and what we've got and whereabouts we're at. The only thing I've really got left to do is attach the lid. So here's one of the little token boxes. You get 3 of these. There you go. And you'll notice I've alternated the colours of the green and brown and then kept the orange as the base. So we get this nice effect, look. And then the box itself, the green bottom, I've done all the paint work. It's still got some elastic bands on it because it's all been glued together now. Ta-da-da! The Kriegsvin's turned out really nice, look with the stain. Couldn't have asked for any better than that. And then last but not least is the lid. So again, the bores come out really well. The stain took really well underneath. Good thing is as well, the inside and even in the box has come out slightly darker than the outside. And you can see I've put a little catch on it as well. Look, that's actually on there now. I've attached the little loops that the magnets are going to go in. They are on order. I won't be showing you that little niggly bit because it's just putting it in. So I'm going to crack on and put the lid on. And then I'll show you it all attached. And that is that in place. So let me just, I've just had it. I've lost the glue. Don't you give me that. You all do stupid crap like that as well. Right, so that's that. I've just gone around all the edges just to create a little seal so that it gives it a bit more protection and stops it from working its way loose. That's that done. Also, while I've got it on, I'd like to give Opie's Beard Company a massive shout out. Their merch feels incredible and it's 3 degrees outside at the minute and this is still nice and toasty warm, so you can still get your guns out even in winter. Look. See? And special ladies out there that like it. I think of one in particular. See, look. Cuts in nicely underneath the armpit as well. And the beard oils smell absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. By far one of the best companies I use. So I'll link him in the description as well for you. Just as a honorary shout out. I didn't have to do it. But I've got it on, so I thought I might as well mention him. Really, really good guy. Really good products. And they do quite a lot for men's mental health as well. So go and give them a shout and give them a check out and see what you think. So that's all the box done. All I'll probably do when the lid is dry in about an hour, I'll jump on and show you with the lid. And then that'll conclude the video. But until then, I'll see you soon. Hey guys, right. So, it's all finished. You ready? All it needs is the magnets, which haven't arrived yet, but the latch system works. There's the back and the lid holds itself up, look. There's the inside. Ignore the shiny glue, it still needs to fully dry. It's dry enough for me to show you, so I thought I would. And where did I put my little buggers? There they are. All the little compartments are done. See? So that's that. that's the build complete and good to go. And like I said, I'll put his link in the description for anybody that wants to buy one. I highly recommend it if you play quite regular, because this is going to be invaluable to me now. Carrying my stuff from A to B is going to be a hell of a lot easier. So, thanks a lot for watching. I'm very honoured to have you here as always. And I really hope you have a great day. And the weather's nice where you are. It's nice and sunny here for a change. It's been raining and horrible, but at least it's nice now. So go and grab yourself a nice cold beer or some other adult beverage. And I'll be back with another video soon. Cheers guys. Love you all.